I had my head on. Alright, there you go. Alright, how's it going, YouTube? Welcome back. I'm out here with Dow. I'm Red Danny, the cameraman. And we are out here on the Wisconsin River fishing for swordfish. Flatheads. Hopefully we catch one or two. We got a bunch of suckers. Nothing planned. We're out here to hang out for tonight. We're gonna sleep out here, camp out here. It's always been one of a dream of ours. And we're out here doing it. So stay tuned and hopefully catch a flathead or two. So, oh yeah. That's gotta be fish, bro. Dude, you recording this?
I am. That's a fish, guys.
Here, Dow, take this. You sure? Yeah. Man, I'm so nervous. Dow, come on, you gotta get this.
Oh, you got it, bro. You got it. Go for it.
No, it's not on you. I don't know. Dude, what the heck is that? Stuck? Oh, it's not stuck. Something's pulling it. I felt weight. It's not stuck. Look, it just came out. Reel down. Don't pick it up yet. Just reel. Is he on? He's off.
No, he's not.
Oh, it's on this one. Right?
I can't tell.
Just wait. Let him leave it. If you're gonna eat it, he's gonna eat milk. It's not gonna spit out. This one just went off too. Yeah, but yours is actually moving. Oh, yeah, that's a fish. That's a
Yours or mine?
mine. Wait.
Let me get mine on your way.
Davey, your hand there. Turn off your light.
My light?
Yep.
That's a fish on yours, dude. It's going left. Yep. Real.
Oh god, he's on.
He's on, dude. Yep. He's pinned. Good stuff, dude. Keep it up. He's pinned. Nice, dude. Is he on? What happened? No? What?
Oh, good job. Yeah, yours?
Oh, that was a fish, but he went left.
Sure did.
It was all chewed up.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, 'cause your line went left. My line stayed right. That's a fish. You saw it?
Oh,
Yeah, he's on.
that's a
Yep. Oh no, it popped off.
Oh, I popped off.
No, it popped off. No, it popped off. That was on the bluegill. Oh, I thought you had it. I felt the weight on it. No, he was on. I felt him run.
You're active, man.
Hyping it up this whole time.
What is that?
Channel.
He just messed up from the rocks. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Yep.
Turn off your light.
These other fish have been hyping it up all night. Look at that thing. Sheesh. Alright, get your release. He's on. Ready? Yep. Jeez, that's a big fish. Oh my gosh. That's actually a really nice fish. Whoa, 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 dude, that's actually a really nice fish. I think it's a flathead, dude. Get the net, get the net. He's turning the boat. I think it's flathead. We waited all night. Ready, bro? Ready? It's not ready, bro. It's not ready. I knew there was something here. Whoa! Whoa. That's a big camera. Ready? Oh my gosh!
Oh,
That's a big channel.
jeez. Oh, your phone, bro.
What happened? No, it's okay. Holy smoke, that thing's huge. Okay, let me just get situated here. Whoa! What the heck? What just happened? Alright. Thanks, Dal.
Holy cow, those things are
Dude,
huge.
this thing's huge.
It's
Like, why is it so big?
clean too. Nice.
Oh, he's slimy as heck. There he goes. Nice, okay. You got one. He'll relax. Ow! Yeah, they can relax people, man. Jeez.
Oh, jeez.
I'm just watching the other rounds. I can't grab him. There he goes. Oh my gosh. That is a long channel. The heck? But we waited all day for this. Nice little 10-pounder for sure.
Okay.
That's a nice channel right there, guys. Holy cow, look at the forehead on that thing. All night. We came to this dead end spot. We finally found one. So we're gonna go ahead and drop him back in the water. He's bleeding everywhere, so that's a nice channel right there. Wisconsin channel. That's a nice fish. He's gonna take off as soon as I let go. I don't know what just happened. Reel. Go ahead, just reel. Reel. Is he off?
I don't feel nothing.
Oh, he dropped it. No, he's on.
he's
Yeah,
on,
he's on. Reel. Fast. Yep. Nice. He's on, dude. Keep up. Broad tip high. That's a big
Ooh, that's
fish,
a big
dude.
one.
That's a big fish.
Oh, that's a big fish.
Good stuff, dude. Can you zoom down, Dang? Keep it up. Go. Up high. Keep up. Yep. Keep going. Yep. That's a nice fish, dude. That's off with the body part. Yep. Come over here. That's a nice fish. What is it? Oh, it's a flathead! Yeah, we finally got it, dude! Yes, we found a flathead. Let's go! Oh my gosh. Good stuff. Oh, jeez. Yeah, good stuff. Oh, man. Oh my gosh. It's a nice fish. Danny, we finally did it on the crappie bait that you caught, dude.
I told you, bro.
Yeah, so these you can just lip them. They don't bite like channels.
Nice.
Yep. There you go. Hold them up. Okay. Oh, yep. Just lip them real hard. Yeah, they don't bite, so show it to the camera. That's a nice flatty right there, Wisconsin River. Good job, dude. Yep. Nice. You got the focus and everything?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Yep. Cool, dude. Good job, man. Awesome. They're a really tough fish. We did it! Mission accomplished! Alright guys, so that is it for the video. I know I've been horrible at making closures for my videos lately. Why? It's because, I don't know, I've been just enjoying my time, like, off, you know, just been going out with my friends and my brother. We're just, you know, out there camping. We are not expert by any means doing this night fishing deal. We just want to try it out and learn as we go, right? So go ahead and jab at me. We were unprepared, but we had a lot of fun, right? We learned some new stuff. We learned new water, new pockets. So we're definitely gonna be going back, looking for some flatheads and channels and stuff like that. With that being said, I do have news for you guys. I don't want to spoil anything. All I know is that I made a change in my life. I have exciting news to share with you guys, and hopefully you guys take along. With that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah, it's gonna be cool. All right, just stay tuned.